Hi, welcome to Secondary Math 3. So this video is going to just be a quick overview of how I've set up this course. So hopefully this will help you find all the information that is important to you. I'm going to start here on the home page. So this is what you see when you should log in. And this little banner here goes through a bunch of different pictures. On the left side, you have the left toolbar. And over here, you have some different options to choose. This to-do column, that's good to look at, but that is only things that have to be turned in. So this is not everything that needs to be done, because there's a lot of things that you will do, like take notes or watch a video or something, that is not going to be listed over here. So that's a good place to check, but that's not the only place to check. This video link will be right here. So if you want to refer to it, it's going to be right here on the home page. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the 4 icons: teacher, class, and syllabus, textbook, modules, and parent resources. If you click on this one, it's going to take you here to the course syllabus, and it's just some basic information about the course, my contact information, stuff we're going to be learning about this trimester. There's a little bit about me there, and also how to set your notifications. There's a link if you want to be able to do that, and some overview on Canvas. So if you ever get stuck on Canvas, you can go to that page and find that out. So if we go back to the home page and then click on the textbook icon, there's just some basic information there about the textbook that we're using. It has the link for the apps page, and you'll click on that, and you can click on the big ideas icon on that page, and it will get you to the assignments. Most of the assignments will be done online through Big Ideas Math. Once in a while, we will have a worksheet or something on Canvas that you'll have to turn in. So that's also why the to-do list is not going to be listing everything that you have to do, because the assignments in the textbook will not be in the to-do list that's on the right side there. So go back to the home page. Oops. And the other icon, and this is the one that you're going to use the most, modules, or in the left toolbar, there's also this link here that can get you to the modules. So either one of those works. You click on that, and that gets you to the modules. Now this is where the meat of the information is going to be. So this first part is just the, if you want to get to the home page from here, the course syllabus or textbook or whatever. There's also a page on module information that is just, I've just kind of talked about what each module looks like, and different things that we'll be doing throughout the course. Go back to the home page, and we'll go back to modules in a minute. I want to go to parent resources and just kind of show you what that looks like. So just a page, I've just got a collection of different things that you can look at, different resources that you can go see. As I find awesome websites, I'll add them to here. But, here's a link to Desmos, the online computer, and, here's a link to the core standards and some other programs. Khan Academy is one that we use a lot because there's some great videos in there. And again, there's some places that you can go to get some Canvas support. So I want to go back to the modules page, because the rest on here, you can just kind of play around with. And, like if you want to look at your grades, you'd click on this one. Or if you want to know just the assignments, then you click on this. So let's look at the modules, and you can expand the modules. We're done with Unit 5 right now. So, if you want to collapse it so you don't have to see it every time you come here, then that's an easy thing to do. So let's say we're looking at Unit 5, Introduction. All the modules will start with an introduction, and the introduction page is going to be really useful. So let's click on that one. Notice there's a quick overview of what Module 5 or Chapter 5 is all about. And then there is this to-do list. Now this is the important to-do list. This has everything that we did in Chapter 5 listed out, including starting with putting the divider in your notebook. And every time you have to print and copy some notes, and every time there's an online assignment, it puts it there. And I'll try to put as much information in the to-do list as I can so that you don't have any questions. When is it due? Is it an online assignment? Is it a worksheet? What's the order of things that are due? I will also put the tentative dates of the tests at the bottom of the to-do list. So that's a really important thing to remember. That's in the introduction of the modules. And notice like Unit 5 has an introduction, Unit 8 has an introduction. And then the lessons are listed out. So like Unit 5 had 6 lessons. And as you click and go through the lessons, each lesson has this layout. Starts with teacher notes. And these are the notes that normally I would hand to you in class. And here is a link to those notes. You click on that and you can download it. And then I take a picture of my notes, the ones that I put in my notebook, and I write down everything and I take a picture of it. So you can look and see what is it that your notes should look like. Then what you want to do, this would be the best thing, is there's usually a video that goes with it. Since we did 5.1 in class, there's not a video there, so I'm going to skip over to 8.1. So notice there's the notes, there's my notes, so there's a picture of what I did in my notes, and then I'm going to post videos of me going through and completing the notes. So filling out my notes, I'm going to video it and upload those. Might be a little bit different because I just make it big enough so that I can write in it. But it'll be basically the same thing as the notes that you'll download. Then under teacher presentations, I make a copy of the lessons that I use to explain the notes in PDF format so that if you want to refer to them as a PDF, everything would be there, and also before and after annotations or writing them. Under resources, I will post any videos or reference pages or activities that might help you better understand the concepts of the lesson. And then I will put an assignment overview. And this is where you're going to get the information of, is the assignment an online book assignment or is it a worksheet? And it tells the name of the online book assignment so you can find it in Big Ideas. Then I'm going to make videos and put them here that are just some synopses of the assignment. I'm not going to show how to do every problem because I really want you to try these out on your own and try to figure them out. But I will post the PDF of the answers. Now, I want you to be sure that you're not just copying down these answers because that's not going to do you any good. To just copy down the answers and get 10 points for finishing the assignment, but then not do very well on the test. So I want you to get into this habit of looking at the assignment. You can use your notes, you can use the video resources, anything to help you do the assignment. And if you get stuck, then look at the videos to see if the videos will give you some ideas or hints on how to do it. But then I do expect you to check your answers after you get them done. I will also have a link to Big Ideas right here if it is an online assignment. If it's a worksheet, I'll take that link off so that you're not confused by that. Okay, then also in modules, I will put any assignments. So like notice here, lesson 8.3, the assignment, you look down here at assignment, it's a worksheet. So you have to download the worksheet and either print it off or just write the questions on a different sheet of paper. There will still be a video that talks about some hints on how to do it. There will still be a PDF of the assignment But then there's also going to be the next page. So you have to click next, and there's an assignment page. So your assignment page tells you when the assignment is due, how many points it's worth, how are you going to submit it. You're going to submit it as a file upload. Usually what you'll do is take a picture, save your picture as a PDF, that usually works the best, and then upload it right here. Okay, down here at the bottom of the assignment page is where you'll upload the assignment. So once you have the picture saved as a PDF, or if you do it as a doc, that would work too, or some other file, then you hit choose file, and it will ask, okay, where do you want the file to come from? You'll find it on your computer and click on it, click open, and then you'll have to, add, if there's more than one page, add it here. If you want to put some comments like, that was such a fun assignment, thanks for letting me do it, or, whatever. And then hit submit assignment, or you could hit the submit button at the very top. So that's how you're going to submit assignments in Canvas. Sometimes we'll have quizzes that will be part of the modules. They'll be accessible through the modules or through the quizzes in the left column there. They should be pretty self-explanatory. Take the quiz. Be sure that you note when the dates and the times for the quiz are and if there's a time limit. So those are really important things to know. And that's basically all the information about modules. So looking over here at the left bar, again, announcements, if you want to hear or see announcements that I've made, important in things. So sometimes I'll do it in the inbox, sometimes the announcements. So get in the habit of kind of checking both places. If you want to look at just the assignments, again, these only list the ones that are in Canvas, so you're not going to see any online book assignments. We haven't done any discussions so far, but it's quite possible that we might try those. As we do them, I will let you know how. If you want to see what your grades are, you can check here, and it shows, if you're missing something or if you completed something, how many points you got out of it, and so on. Pages is just another word for the pieces of the modules, and the syllabus takes you to the same place as that icon on the home page. Quizzes, again, if you want to see just quizzes that have been assigned, you go to that one. And that's really the main ones that we're going to be using for this course. Okay. If you have any questions, please email me or even call or text. I try to be available for you anytime, and let's get through this tough time together. I know learning math through distance is not easy. It's going to be kind of rough. So please let me know if you need help. Okay, thank you.